Hi coaches, Russ Reed's Prior Lake High School Activities. Today I'd like to show you some quick tips on editing your PLHS activities.org website. The first thing you'll notice when you log in and navigate to your specific page is an edit and user mode switch. Now you'll only see this if you have contacted me in advance, given me your username, and I have granted you editing rights. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to your page. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to take you to boys track and field. If I was the head boys track and field coach and I've been given editing rights, I would see this edit mode and user mode switch here in the left hand corner. The first thing you can do to edit your page is click here, the edit side. You'll notice that when you click that edit mode, this switch will flip from user to edit. So now I'm in edit mode, and this is what the edit mode page looks like. You'll notice most of your pages have already been set up with information, and this information can be moved around however you'd like. If you wanted to move this document over, you could click and drag and move that document. If you wanted to move this picture up, you can click and drag. So you can move any of the elements to anywhere on the page that you'd like. A couple other things that you can do. There's several different page layouts, and if you want to change the page layout, right now we have a skinny column and a bigger column. If we click add page layout, new layout container, I could do 3 columns. You could do a main column in the middle with subcolumns on each side, so you can choose any layout container that you'd want. So let's try this one. You can name it, but you don't have to. Create new account or create new layer. That's going to start at the bottom of your page. So now I see I have 3 columns here where you can add page elements. To add a page element, just click on where you'd like that to be added. You can add basic text. You can upload a single photo. You could add a document. You can create a link to another website. You can create a contact. So coaches, this is good for allowing users to email you right from the website. You can put in a sponsor, and this looks kind of like a business card. It gives you an opportunity to upload a logo and then put in their contact information. Photo gallery comes in as a slideshow. A news feed, so if you have news articles, and there's several different ways to view these. You can do a preview where some of the article is shown as like a teaser, and then it will keep a record of all the articles that you upload. An event aggregator is really a calendar feature, and the beauty of the calendar feature for the end user is there's iCal feeds and an RSS feed that they can pull right into their mobile devices, so they can have all of your calendar dates right into their iPad or iPhone or other tablet or smartphone. This is how you'd add a video. Adding video to Engine is as simple as embedding a YouTube video. If you're going to add video, my advice is to upload it to YouTube first and then click this tab. There is one other place to add video I can show you in a second. Adding audio file to your page. This would play music or any audio file that you want when they load the page. Page divider. If you're dividing it between 2 specific templates, you can build a table like an Excel table. This is for adding custom HTML code. You can add a sitemap. It uses Google Maps. You can do a new slideshow. This allows you to do sort of a teaser heading, maybe with a picture, and when they click on it, it takes them right to a news article. Comment stream would allow a blog feature for users, so you could post something and then have users enter comments below it. This is how you add a Twitter feed or set up an RSS feed that feeds directly into your website. You can do a countdown timer. For instance, coaches use this for first practice, or our first game, or our next game, that kind of thing. There's a Facebook feature that allows you to link to a Facebook page and like the page right from your website. A Flash file. Many of your videos will be in Flash extensions, so you can add those Flash files here. Registration link you won't have to worry too much about because we take care of all the registration links for you. a survey. If you wanted to collect information from your team, you can put a survey report out. Same with a power poll. Sometimes it's fun to poll your athletes. MailChimp is a constant contact type feature for your website, and there's a separate process for that. If you're interested in setting up MailChimp, contact me. I'll help you with that process. Sports like volleyball and baseball have been using MailChimp. It's on their page if you'd like to see what it looks like. Engine mirrors. This is a nice feature for the website. You can go to any engine site, and they have thousands of them, and if you see something that you'd like to copy onto your site, you can click engine mirrors and it'll add it to your list of mirrors. So these are all things that I've mirrored within the website. If there's something on the main page that you like and you want to put it onto your page, you can mirror it and it'll show up in here, and when you click this it'll automatically add it to your page. Kind of a nice feature. The last few things I'll show you in here. A widget element. If you are using the Star Tribune page, those hub pages, you can set up engine widget elements. If you want more information on this, contact me. You'll need to get editing rights to the hub page, but what it allows you to do is bring in statistics from Star Tribune. You can bring in standings and schedules and things like that. A really nice feature of engine. We haven't set up the Apparel Store Showcase, so don't worry about that. You can certainly add interactive maps and weathers to your pages. This is for streaming video. We'll take care of all of that through the Activities Office for you, like for streaming your event. And then Tab Element. And Tab Element is a nice feature. I'll show you what that looks like. The Tab Element is right here. If you add tabs, you can title them through that Tab Element, and that allows you to put more information on one page without taking up a ton of that information. So those are the page elements that you can add. There's also a feature where you can add pages, subpages to your main page. So if you want to add a new page, for instance, track has added schedules, records, honor rolls, rosters, that type of thing. You can click add new page right here, and it'll ask if you want to link to a page outside of Engine, or if you want to add a general page. My advice would be to click a general page. You'll title it. Make sure on page display status you choose public. That means everyone can view it. If it's disabled or private, you'll be able to see it when you log in, but none of the viewers will be able to see it. So change that to public, and definitely enable news and calendar events to that page. Title it, click create new page, and you'll have access to edit that page just like you would edit your main page. These three are uneditable. They'll be on every page, so you can't change those. Your headings across the top will be on every page. You can't change those. You do have some tabs here that you can change, and I'll be doing a couple more videos showing you exactly how to do that, how to add game schedules and rosters and things like that using these tabs. If you have any questions, please let me know. My phone number is 952-226-8960. You can email me at rreetz@priorlake-savage.k12.mn.us. Thanks.